In the next program, a person pays annual income tax as per the given table, which is basically a completely hypothetical table. Okay, if the annual salary is up to rupees 5 lakhs, then the rate of income tax is no tax. It means tax amount is 0. And rupees 5 lakhs 1 to rupees 10 lakhs, it is 10% of the exiting amount of 5 lakhs. And the rupees 10 lakhs 1 to rupees 15 lakhs, it is 10,000 rupees mandatory and 20% amount of exiting of 10 lakhs. Okay, now above 15 lakhs, the rupees of 25,000 mandatory and 30% of the amount of exiting of 15 lakhs. Okay, so write a program in Java to compute the income tax to be paid by him. So in this program, you are going to take the annual salary, and as per the annual salary, you are going to calculate the tax amount. Okay, let's start. So you can see I have already taken the input from the user using the scanner and the annual salary in the variable salary. Now I am going to check whether the how much amount tax actually he is going to pay. Okay, so, and for storing the tax value, I am just declaring here another variable tax. Okay, now if salary is less than equals to 5 lakhs. Okay, so it is 5 lakhs. Okay, if the salary is less than 5 lakhs, then tax equals to 0, means no tax, means 0. And else if salary is up to 10 lakhs, okay, so up to 10 lakhs, then the tax will be the 10% of the exiting amount of 5 lakhs. So exiting amount is salary minus 5 lakhs. Okay, so minus 5 lakhs, it is 5 lakhs into 10%. Okay, so this is the tax amount. And else if the salary in between the 10 lakhs 1 to 15 lakhs, then salary is less than equal to 15 lakhs, then the tax amount is tax equals to 10,000 is mandatory. So 10,000, it is 10,000 plus exiting salary of 15 lakhs. Exiting salary of 10 lakhs. So the salary minus 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs into 20%. Okay, so this is the tax amount. And else it means the salary is more than 15 lakhs. Okay, if more than 15 lakhs, then the tax will be 25,000 is mandatory. So 25,000 is mandatory. Okay, now the 30% of the exiting salary of 15 lakhs. Okay, so salary minus 15 lakhs, so into 30%. Okay, so this is the 30%. Now I am going to print the amount, the tax amount paid by him. Okay, but you have to remember one thing, that this table is completely an hypothetical table. Okay, it is not related to the real world taxing system. Okay, so the tax amount. So now I am going to run the program. So enter the annual salary. So annual salary is suppose it is 4,50,000. Okay, so 4,50,000. Let's see, the tax amount is 0 because up to 5 lakhs it is no taxable. It is not no tax amount actually there it is. Enter the annual salary. Suppose annual salary is 7,50,000. So 7,50,000. So then what's happened? The tax amount is 25,000. It means it is 10% of the exiting amount of 5 lakhs. Okay, and again I'm just going to run the program again and enter the annual salary. Suppose it is 12 lakhs 38,000. Okay, then 12 lakhs 30,000, then the tax amount is 56,000. Okay, then the program run again, and I'm just entering the values 25 lakhs. Okay, then what's happened? The tax amount is 3 lakhs 25,000. Okay, so when it is actually more than the 15 lakhs. So in this way you can easily calculate the tax amount as per the table shown in the question. Can easily depict the logic how to calculate the tax amount by from any given table format of our taxation system. Okay.